Hello, my name is MD Ibrahim. I'm an IT administrator with a strong experience in networking, hardware, and IT support. Well, my expertise includes network security, network designing, FortiGate firewall administration, MikroTik, fingerprint and CCTV system. I focus on securing organizational networks and providing reliable IT solutions. I hold a diploma and bachelor degree in computer science with a major computer networks and hardware. Additionally, I have completed professional courses in server administration, MTCNA, Cisco Network Academy courses. Looking ahead, my goal over the next 5 years is to build and lead a dedicated IT support team, mentoring them in implementing robust security measures and strengthening overall network infrastructure. Okay, I have more than 5 years experience in this related field. So close your eyes and trust me, you will be happy. Thanks a million for watching me. Thank you.